What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to write a cover letter for the even if you're applying for a job, even if you're applying for a job on the work, anywhere that you guys want to apply a job for. Here is the whole logic that I have created using the Claude. It's on my repo over here, and let me just show you guys the repo of mine. You guys can also check this repository. Even though it's private, I will make it public so everyone can access it. So yeah, here is a bare prospect proposal. Uh, what I have made so far is that it goes through 9 scenarios, 9 strategies. These are the gates. One is, let me just show you first the whole mermaid diagram of it. So it inputs user pays the job description, PRD, or a message from the client, raw input, enters the system. If else router, step 1, detect screening questions, step B, classify the primary grade, step C, combine cover letter always comes first. So it's standard, scope, PRD, there are different versions of it, which is main 9 gauge. So then it goes to the universal modules where identity meets with the portfolio matching with the vault, then the tone and the quality audit and the custom build over here. So it goes through different sort of modules. One is psychological extraction, language mirroring, anti-AI voicing agent, UMA SEO optimizer, portfolio matching plus vault, 23-point quality audit, and then the 9 scenarios that I've already discussed. Here you guys can see that I made this one long prompt that you guys can simply copy and paste it again to any of the engine like Gemini, ChatGPT, or Claude, and then make a cover letter right according to it. And I have created all this thing and researched it using the Claude, so you guys can do it as well. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.